Hey guys, welcome back to the first week of fall and pumpkin making. Tonight we're gonna do some fun, I'm not really sure what they're actually going to be. We're gonna take some old wood, so pick a piece of wood, any kind of wood that you can find laying around, and then we're gonna take these dollar store pumpkins that you can get at any local Dollar Tree for $1, and then we're gonna cut them in half and put them, you will hot glue them onto this board, and then we'll take some ribbon. You can use ribbon, or I'm gonna show you a different way that we can add some color to these also, but we're just gonna kind of spruce up these Dollar Tree pumpkins and make a fun, cute wall hanging to put up for this fall. You're gonna want to take, you can see on these Dollar Tree pumpkins how they have this line in there where it's actually put together. These are called carvable pumpkins because they're hollow on the inside. And if you just take any X-Acto knife or utility knife, or you can take a steak knife, whatever you've got, and just go ahead and cut along that line all the way around. That's all there is to that. So just go ahead and cut your pumpkins in half, and then you'll take any sort of ribbon that you have, whatever color you want to use, and cut it into small squares. You'll just want to cut a bunch of little squares. We did it with some polka dot ribbon earlier. That was kind of cute. You could use burlap if you want to use that. Or if you have an upholstery material or a heavier type of material, you could use that and cut it into small squares. Really anything that matches what you've got going on, and you can cut into small squares. You'll take, my dad found me this cool T, and that worked pretty well to poke these down into the pumpkin. And it's best to fold your material into different, like into fours, so you have a nice edge to push in, to poke into your pumpkin. And then that's all you gotta do. Just take that piece of material and poke it right down into your pumpkin. And just go all the way around. You do want to be careful that you don't poke it in too far, or that you get too aggressive with it, because it will pop a hole in this pumpkin. It will make that styrofoam break out of there, and if you have a break in it, it's kind of hard to use it after that. So just be aware of that as you're going. We did try that earlier, and once you get one of those bigger holes in, it was really hard to reverse from that. You could always put a bow on it, or put a leaf on it over that spot, or something to cover it up, but you don't want to get too many of those in there. It'll be hard to come back from that. So this is it, guys. This is really all you have to do. It's just add different color ribbons. All the way around your pumpkin. And then once you get that completely covered in whatever color ribbon you're using, you'll just get add a stick, find a stick in the yard or anything you can find. You can take the original piece that came off of that and wrap that in like a jute or twine, or put some burlap on that. You could even use it just as it is, or wrap it in another ribbon. But you'll just put that in the top of your pumpkin. If you're using a stick, just poke a hole right down in through the pumpkin. And then you'll hot glue that on, and you've just got an adorable decor. You can add holes to this piece of wood and tie it up, hang it up with a ribbon. But it's just a cute little decor that you can add to a kid's room, or you can have the kids do it with you. This is another way to add color to these. You can take coffee filters, any coffee filters that you have, and Crayola markers. I'm using a highlighter here that actually worked okay too. But just cut your coffee filter into small squares. And then use your Crayola markers and color different colors onto the coffee filter. this marker is running out of juice, but it actually still works. Once, if you get a spray bottle and we'll add some water to this, that will almost make it kind of a watercolor effect to it. But this is a great way to add different colors too if you want to do a blue pumpkin or a purple pumpkin or a bright pink pumpkin. So you just color your pieces of coffee filter and then spray it with water. And if you're doing all the same color, you'll start to get these puddles of water on your plate, and you can just move that coffee filter around on there to spread that coloring out. And then you'll want to have either like a cookie sheet or a paper towel or something, and then lay that on there to dry. And then once those are dry, you can fold those up and add those to your pumpkin just like we did the ribbon. And those make an adorable little pumpkin too. So we just wanted to jump on here quick and give you guys a couple ideas for one more pumpkin for day 5. Join me tomorrow for day 6. I think we're going to be doing concrete pumpkins tomorrow, so that should be fun. Hope to see you there. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.